In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail alias in Google Workspace. A Gmail alias is an additional email address that delivers to an existing user's inbox. It's perfect for role-based addresses like support, hello, or admin, and it doesn't require a new mailbox or an extra license. You'll manage it from the Google Admin Console, and the whole process only takes a minute or two. Start by opening the Google Admin Console at admin.google.com and sign in with an account that has admin privileges. You'll need an admin role that can manage users. Once you're on the admin console home screen, head to Directory, then select Users. This is where all of your organization's user accounts live. Next, choose the user who should receive mail sent to the new alias. Pick the person who will handle messages for that role or address. When you click into their profile, look for the section where aliases are managed. Depending on the current interface, you'll either open user information and find the aliases area there, or you'll see a dedicated email aliases section right away. Both paths take you to the same place. Now add the alias. Click Add Alternate Emails or Add Alias. In the field provided, type the alias name only, the part before the @ sign, such as support, hello, or admin. If your organization has multiple domains, choose the correct domain from the drop-down, so the alias lands under the right address space. Keep in mind that an alias must be unique. You can't reuse an address that already exists as a primary address, an alias for someone else, or a group. If it's already taken, pick a variation that makes sense for your team. When you're satisfied, click Save. The change usually activates within a few minutes, though it can take a bit longer to fully propagate across Google's systems. After activation, messages sent to that alias will arrive in the user's regular inbox just like any other email. A couple of helpful tips as you wrap up. An alias is best when one person should receive the messages. If you need multiple people to see and reply to the same address, consider a team solution like a shared mailbox tool or a group. Also, if the user wants to send messages from the new alias, they can enable that in their Gmail settings under the Send From options. That's it. You've successfully created a Gmail alias in Google Workspace, giving your team a clean professional address without adding another mailbox to manage.